Today we'll be going over how to manually program the AXSWC to the SONY 5000 to 8000 series radios if your AXSWC detects a SONY radio but your steering wheel control functions do not work properly. In order to make the AXSWC and head unit work properly, we'll have to change the radio type and the SWC to type 22. We will be using custom programming inside of the radio. Start by plugging in the AXSWC. Once you see the green light, hold the volume down on your steering wheel until the light turns red. Once the light turns red, press the volume up button 22 times and then press volume down until the red button turns off. Now, onto programming the SONY radio. Remember, the SONY radio's programming is single function. So to program, press and hold the volume up button on the radio and steering wheel control, and repeat for all functions. Then test for all functionality. For any more information on this product, you could visit axxessinterfaces.com, find Metra Electronics on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.